Bro, what the fuck is this? It's nice though. But I want to see if I'm live on YouTube. Why am I not live on YouTube? Like, finally, it has happened to me by the front of my phone. Let's get unscribed. Finally, I know the way to love. If I wanna do, let's go. This munch is actually outrageous. You know what I mean? We just sauce it up a bit. Ketchup. Hands shaking. Why are they shaking for? Brother's got Parkinson's. Brother's got Parkinson's disease. See, look, we've got the camera. I'm saying we've got the levels on this. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Give me some burper. Give me some burper. Right, we don't trade on the hour chart. What the fuck's going on? We trade on the minute. What's this barcoding? You see, you know the barcodes. That's why I call it barcoding. Look, bomb. It's all like barcodes. So like a book barcode. You know what I mean? Hold on. Wait, let me get a book barcode, innit? You see? Barcoding. Yeah, the chart's barcoding, you see on the actual thing? Just lines. Don't like it like that. Impossible to make money. Where's it going? Do you know what I mean? Where's the market going? Where's the market fucking moving? No one knows where the market's moving. Impossible. Impossible to make money in this bitch. It's barcoding. Look, what the fuck is this, man? Do you know what I mean? Pisses me off big time. Oh. Now, for those of you who are big followers of BG Dollars, you know what I'm saying? Big followers of BG Dollars. Then you would have known I went to Thailand. And as I was out there in Thailand, I did get the Bangkok belly. If you don't know the Bangkok belly, it's fucked. Yeah? I ate something, diarrhea, all sorts. It was crazy. Diarrhea literally all came spurting out, you know, it was like a water tank. You know those filters that you just turn the tap and the water just comes spurting out? It was like that. So it was no good. No good at all. Then, so I had quite a lot of things wrong with me, and then I had the flight on the way back. So on the way back, obviously I was flying home, and I had a layover in Singapore, right? In the Singapore airport. Now, at the airport in Singapore, I threw up. I was sick a couple of times, you know, I'd had diarrhea for the past few days. And I thought, oh shit, there's something wrong. Now, the second, third time when I threw up, it was blood. So there was blood in my sick. Yeah, I'm not joking, there was blood in my sick. So that's when I thought, oh shit. My flight was in an hour, and I just had been sick, and there was blood in it. So I went over to the help information desk, and obviously Singapore, do you know what I mean? No one speaks English. Everyone's like, whoa, we don't care. And I'm like, well, fucking, can someone just help me? You know what I mean? I've got blood in my sick. Right, just fucking giant. So I went over there, bomb. And they were like, well, see doctor. I was like, all right, well, fucking hell, yeah, okay, I'll go see doctor. But my flight's in an hour. You know, fucking, they don't get it into their heads, you know what I mean? They're too... But anyway, sauce it up a bit. This is actually quite nice. I'll give it to this. Anyway, so I threw up. I was at Singapore. Boom. Went to the help information desk. Told them, look, I've got blood in my sick. Flight's in an hour. What do I do? You know, do I get the flight? It's a 14-hour flight all the way back to London from Singapore, right? And they were like, well, go see a doctor. So I went to see a doctor. And I said to the doctor, look, the whole story again. I've had blood in my sick. Got my flight in an hour's time. What do I do? And he just said, he done my blood pressure, you know, he done like a heart scan or some shit, you know, he just held his ear to my, God knows what he's doing, you know, he probably just acting as if he knows what he's doing. And then he just gave me some medicine, gave me like fucking, God knows, like 3-4 pills to take. And I was just scoffing them, you know, there and then, just like, well, fuck it, because I was ill. And then he said, you're all right to get the flight back. So I got the flight back. Was sick twice on this 14-hour flight. 14-hour flight from Singapore to London. And I was sick twice. It was horrible. Do you know what I mean? I felt really ill throughout the whole time. Didn't eat anything. I flew with Singapore Airlines. Now, fair play to Singapore Airlines. You know what I mean? They haven't got like a deal with them. Do you know, this ain't a promotion. But fair play to Singapore Airlines. They did do me all right. Do you know what I mean? I said to the flight attendant, I was like, look, I've got Bangkok belly. What can I do? And she just said, best bet's just drink a load of water. So I was like, well, come on then. Do you know what I mean? Like, I didn't have water in front of me. So you're telling me to drink a load of water. There's no water in front of me. So I then asked for some water, of course. And then she went and got some for me. And backwards and forwards, water. Do you know what I mean? But no, and then I was back home and I was okay after that. But 14-hour flight, feeling ill, throwing up twice. That was my story. And I got back, last Thursday. And I've still had a bit of diarrhea, but it's been better now. So I've got to watch what I eat. So this shit is not looking great. My first probably dodgy thing to eat, but tastes nice. You know, it's from the UK. It's from, you know, my homeland. So it shouldn't like disagree my stomach. So I think it would be okay. You know, I mean, it's just a bit of fucking pastry, but. So that was my story. Yeah, got very ill, and then in the end was okay. But I had to pay 68 quid for what? A doctor that just checked me over for like 10 minutes, £68. Joke, innit? Oh, 108 Singapore dollar, yeah. No, fuck you, man. What do you mean 108 Singapore dollar? What have you done? You scanned my heart twice and checked my blood pressure and you're trying to charge me 108 Singapore dollar. Behave yourself, do you know what I mean? But no, I mean, I had to pay it. It could have been something serious, do you know what I mean? My flight was in an hour, you know. I'm not having a 14-hour flight and I'm dying. So, it could have been something serious, so you have to get checked out. But in the end, I was okay, so it's alright. Anyway. Now, there is something that I want to get solved. Fuck off all these pop-ups, you know what I mean? This. Why can't I... Look, MetaTrader 5 normally works for me. Now, I've done some shitty update that they asked for, do you know what I mean? They always pop up and say, look, update. So I fucking done the update, and now it's just like it doesn't load my templates, and I can't really do anything with it. So I've had to look online. If anyone can help me, then please do help me. I mean, I've got to keep an eye on gold because gold has been really well for me so far. See, look at that on the minute. No, I normally trade on the hour. But no, my webcam might go off. That's the thing, my webcam might go off because I have to trade, so I might have to turn on my other webcam. It's a bit shittier than this. It's not what I want to do. Who's that? Hi, I want to offer promotion of your channel viewers, followers. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. Auto on, incredibly flexible. Everything is in your hands. Turn it on, off. Go to dogehype.com. See, who's that? Simulate Dimpos. Who the fuck are you? Simulate Dimpos. I mean, look, I treat my fans with respect. Do you know what I mean? Not as if I've got many fans. I haven't got many fans in the first place, but the fans I do have, I treat with respect. Do you know what I mean? I'll say hello and all that. But that, sales. What are you doing? Sales message. And your name, Stimulate Dimpos. How can I respect someone in the comments called Stimulate Dimpos? To change your name and maybe come in with a Hello, BG Dollars. Coming in with a sales call. Yeah, that's just crazy, you know. Anyway, we're going to get up some YouTube, do you know what I mean? Let's get up some YouTube. Let's see what's happening. I mean, Meet Kevin is probably live stream right now. I don't know if you can live a live stream. Can you do that? My one viewer just raids his chat. Oh, look, there I am, look. There I am, Kramer. Let's have a look at some of Kramer's game plan. See, I like a bit Kramer. I do like a bit Kramer.
You can book your flight, car, and hotel.
Adverts all the time, do you know what I mean? YouTube getting bad with it now.
My mission is simple. To make you money.
What's this?
I'm here to level the playing field for all.
Kramer style.
There's always a
Kramer style.
I promise to help you.
Booyah.
Mad Money starts
Booyah.
now.
Mad Money with Jim Kramer.
Hey, I'm Kramer. Welcome to Mad Money.
See, that was my Kramer impression.
I'm doing my friends. I'm just trying to make you a little money. My job is not just to entertain, but to teach you. So call me at 1-800-743-CNBC or tweet me at Jim Kramer. It happened again. A week I've been hearing that the bull is dead. All week. And that the bear...
What do I think is the predictions? Oh, you see, that's a huge sell-off on gold. See, I don't think I need to trade now. I think we should be all right. SPY. S&P 500. You know how we do it straight. Look at the S&P at all times. I think this week's prediction. We've got, what, 2 days left. It's a Wednesday today. We're up currently. See, look, that's my trading alarm going off. Shut up. Hopefully, we should still be on. Yeah, we're still all right. All right, we should be good. We good? We good? We good? We good? Anyway. Market open. Half an hour. Market open. Half an hour. What do I think today? I think it's going to be a green day. Do I think it's going to be a red day? I think... Let me have a little look, you know what I mean? Give me some time, boys. Give me some time. Let me analyse. We could be heading for a nice little green day. We've had a little rally. So look, people were thinking, oh, bear market rally, tank. But no, we had a rally and then we came up again and we've continued. We've continued this rally. Ever since really October time, we've had a little rally. We came back down again. And then December, boom, we hit back up. I think we carry on. I think we carry on. I think we could be heading up for a 430 on the SPY. Let's see what the Naz is saying, the Nasdaq. Obviously, if you are watching this, go have a look at my YouTube channel, BG Dollars on YouTube. Post videos on there, do you know what I mean? As sort of the best ETFs to invest, you know, all money sort of situation. But anyway, I think this is going up. I think we could see a 13,500 on the Nas. I personally don't trade the SP 500 or the Nasdaq, but I still have investments in it long term. So I still like to check where it's going, what is happening. I mean, where is Apple? I remember around the 140 level, 153. See, that's what I'm saying. I remember around the 140. It's gone up since then, up to the 150s. So Apple's doing all right. Do you know what I mean? I haven't really done much with Apple. I'm not invested in Apple, so it's not too shabby. We got a viewer. I'm so confused. Like notifications. BG Dollars is live. Right, let's watch some Kramer.
Bear is resurrected. Even on days that only turn out like, well, this one, where the Dow gained 169 points. It was down, looking at that, it was going to be down 200 points down at 4 a.m. S&P advanced 0.22%. The Nasdaq, okay, that didn't
love
go
it
right.
over here.
That dipped 0.61%. Now, this kind of thinking is so...
Eked. I swear eked is double E. Let's have a look on the dictionary. Eked out. S&P 500 eked out a narrow gain. Eked. Eked is double E, isn't it? Oh. See? Eked. Ecking. Eked. Fuck this shit. I don't know. I mean, it gave both situations. You know what I mean? Google confusing sometimes. It's probably why their stock's down.
That I find it painful.
The House of Pain.
You don't need to be as old as I am, and I just turned a year older, to recognize this. Right now, we're witnessing classic bull market behavior. A bull market has moments where the despair is thick, the short sellers get all shorted up, and the world looks like it's going to come crashing down on your head.
Bull market behavior.
That's what happened this week. And there will be more frightening moments like this. as long as the bull reigns. So get used to it. It's part of the process. Why am I so confident the bull's alive and kicking? First, even on our worst days this year, we've had a huge number of securities that are actually up, not down. Good advance decline ratio. Second, we have no new supply in the form of IPOs or terrible SPACs, thank heavens. And the market tends to be surprisingly resilient, as long as we don't have a stock glut. Third, when it comes to the Fed's fight against inflation, we're clearly closer to the home stretch than the first turn. Fourth, even in the worst bear markets out there, let's say like the enterprise software torture chamber, well, things are finding their footing, and more on that.
I would love to have some buttons, you know what I mean? Just push buttons, like little ball noise, little bear noise, little bomb BG dollars, little subscribe, it'd be high pitched subscribe, bomb, subscribe, bomb, sell, buy, subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It'd be so funny to just have things like different things. Maybe I should get one.
With that in mind,
maybe I get
what's
one.
the game plan for next week? Let's take a look. On Monday, we'll get another read on enterprise software when we see the reaction to a company called Monday.com, which is a workplace productivity software play, formerly a real hot one. Genuine high flyer. The stock's rocketed to 450 at the peak of the NASDAQ in late 2021, and then it plunged at 73 at its
down to 131 from 360. See, that's what I mean. Stocks have just been getting obliterated the past like 1-2 years. If you have been in the stock market, you'd know stocks in general have just been absolutely smashed around the park.
Closed last year for rebounding to 131, where it is today. Unfortunately, Monday.com hasn't been able to turn a profit, or maybe they just haven't really tried. Lately, the market has blessed software companies that have pivoted to profitability. That's our term for it. Get used to it. But it has no faith in the ones that continue to pursue growth at all costs, including losses. If Monday.com makes the pivot, the stock bounces. Then I think also it can lead the whole group up or down. We also hear from a company called Treehouse Foods. Now, this is a company I've always admired because it has a stranglehold on the private label supermarket business. To date, we have not seen much trade down of any size at the supermarket into house brands. But once it starts happening, that will be a huge win in the fight against inflation because it's cheaper. Hey, speaking of inflation, Tuesday morning, very important, we get this most important piece of data this entire week. It's the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and all of its various forms. There's a lot coming, there's X food and energy, all that kind of stuff.
Look, I'm laughing because I've got something to say. I must reveal something. I can't actually hear. I'm just in silence in my room. I can't hear it because this this microphone, right? You see this microphone? This is plugged into the computer, so I haven't been able to hear Kramer the whole time or anything. So I just started laughing. I'm only watching it for you, all right? For you lot. So you lot listen, watch. I mean, I'm just reading the sort of banners that are coming up. Like, I think the CPI data next week is the most important piece, and it's an old video as well. February. That's, I mean, we know the CPI data, so this is kind of a shambles. Actually, let's go on Forex Factory. Yeah, anytime I play a video, just know I can't actually hear anything. I'm just gonna do like fake reactions and just be like, oh yeah, oh that's good, that's good. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I can't hear what's being said at all. Oh my god. Oh, the UK CPI came out 10.1%. That's what I mean. I thought the sausage prices haven't been going up recently. Look at that. It's below forecast as well, the 10.3. See, that's all right. Core CPI at 5.8, below the forecast 6.2. So UK is going well now. Do you know what I mean? All those shambles about Liz Truss and the currency going fucked, which it did go fucked. I made some money off it though, so I was happy. Do you know what I mean? I'm not happy that our currency was weak and everyone was like worried. Do you know what I mean? I was happy that I made a bit of money off it. USD core retail sales. Oh, that's a big beat on the retail sales. You know, it's forecast 0.9, came out 2.3. That's a decent little beat there. Empire State Manufacturing Index, it came down. Well, the forecast like minus 8.8 is a little beat, but I'm not really too. I mean, that I don't think that makes a massive. Do you know what I mean? What is it? Level of diffusion investment on server manufacturing in New York. That's what I mean. It's not really a. We like the CPI. You know what I mean? We like the inflation, the unemployment rates. We like the interest rate decisions. That I'm not too bothered about that. Retail sales, it just shows, you know, what the sort of consumer spending is, if the consumers are buying stuff at shops and that. So it's always good to have a little ponder, have a little look, see. Do you know what I mean? You can't go wrong. But No, it's not real big news. I mean, Aussie dollar employment change, unemployment rate coming out tonight, 7:30 p.m. I mean, I won't be live for that, but I do trade the Aussie dollar sometimes. Let's have a little look what's happening this week. Yeah, till Friday, February 22nd. So it's a bit longer. Tomorrow, we got any news tomorrow? Core PPI for USD and PPI. Nothing much really. And then Friday, nothing. Friday, literally nothing. So boring days. Boring days. Next Monday, nothing. Oh my god. Tuesday though. Tuesday we got the CPI for Canada. Interesting stuff. We got the wage and then fish, and we got the interest rate decision for New Zealand dollar. I mean, I trade Aussie more than I do New Zealand dollar, but they're fairly similar anyway. So yeah, that's all good. Do you know what I mean? Should I just go back to watching this? Even I can't hear it, but I mean, do you like this video?
Well, we know there have been some big
let me know if you actually like it, and I'll carry on playing, even though I'm not hearing anything.
changes for the better in this time a group that really hurt us.
I'll just sit here and nod,
which has gone up in cost rather remarkably given the apparel glut. I think that's going to change and head down. I think car prices might be a little better, but the relentless rise in the CPI ultimately feels unstoppable. So I don't want to get my hopes up too much. Of course, any good news from this number, any sign that inflation has peaked or is going down, disinflation, and this market is ready to roar. I mean, a lot of people out there.
Right, bad enough. Do you know what I mean? Can't keep doing it. Can't keep doing it all the time. Gold. Let's see what gold's saying. 208. Do you know what I mean? Let's have a. Oh, it's tanking. It's tanking. It's tanking. Not great. Not great stuff at all, really. Yeah, it wouldn't have gone over because that's, I mean, my trade sort of, if it pops up above this line and holds and closes above the line, that's when bottom I get into the market. I mean, like, bottom. That's like, it's trade. But no, it didn't happen. That it's tanking. So we wait it out. You know what I mean? We just wait. Yeah, that's what traders do. We wait until the opportunity arises, and then we take advantage of it, make a trade. We win, we lose. On to the next one. That's how traders work. You know what I mean? None of this, oh no, I've lost, I can't pay my rent because I've lost my trading and I might risk more to pay my rent. No, you see, none of that. If you start doing that, you're fucked. You're too deep, you're too far deep at that point, you're fucked it. You may as well stop trading. Do you know what I mean? Who cares about the rent payments? The rent payments sort themselves out, do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what we like to do as a trader. S&P, any movements? I mean, pre-market now, we've got 20 minutes. No real movements in the S&P and the NAS. What about the NAS? And the NAS, bomb, and the NAS, hey, NAS, and the bomb, NAS, hey. Oh, what, hey, oh, what? I mean, I do need to watch a YouTube on. Maybe we just unplug the mic and use the phone mic for now. I don't know. Decisions, you know what I mean? What a decision that. Like, is someone actually watching my stream? Like, this is actually crazy. If someone's actually watching my stream, put something in the fucking chat, please. Do you know what I mean? And it'd be crazy if someone's actually watching my stream on Twitch. Like, that's actually crazy. I feel like I've just got my stream up in a background tab and it's just me, but I can't like see anything. That's what I mean. Like, I need to sort this out big time. Why aren't my charts popping up? Maybe see what's going on here. Like, I don't get why I can't actually load my charts up. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. It's just... If someone is genuinely watching, then look, just please put a follow. And you know, I do stream most days. You know what I mean? It's quite funny in the old stream. Obviously, I've been going on holiday. I went to Thailand. I should have streamed out in Thailand. Should have done something out in Thailand. A bit frustrating. I think I might just trade the pound dollar. Let's just have a look at the pound dollar. See, I might just give the pound dollar a go on the minute chart. I mean, we've had quite a bit of volatility though. So I mean, we're popping up now. In general, I'm quite short biased on the markets. I'm going to be honest. Long term, this is. Short term, I still think there's some bullishness in the S&P 500. As I said, we went through the chart, you know, I do think coming up a bit more. But, I mean, I just think over the next year and a half, I just think the S&P and Bitcoin and all that continues to crash. By the way, I just want to give a quick shout out to Top Cashback. Do you know what I mean? Top Cashback. If you don't know what Top Cashback do, they are absolutely amazing. I know it says UK, but I'm pretty sure they work in the US as well. They basically just save you money every time you purchase something. Boom, just go on Top Cashback. Like if you want to get like a food delivery, or like you want to, you know, I don't know, like what happens in US. I mean, what you might want to buy like a Wendy's or something. But look, if you want to go on and get a food delivery, you just go on Top Cashback, look up Wendy's, boom, get it delivered from there. Do you know what I mean? So, or get an Uber, anything. Just go on Top Cashback first, and then just go to the site, and you get paid. You literally get paid to spend money, or get paid for your normal purchase anyway. So, Top Cashback is just beautiful. This is just a bit too volatile for my liking. I mean, maybe just wait it out, let it chill for a bit, then come back, see if we can make some trades for today. Must admit, my trading is quite mental. This is my first Twitch stream. Do you know what I mean? I'm new to the Twitch scene. Do you know what I mean? So I'm like, bomb, ready to fuck shit up. But no, the stock guy on Twitch is probably, you know, the ideal. For now, let's just whack on some of this. I know I'm not going to be able to hear it. Is there anything else? I mean, I do quite like a bit of Meet Kevin. Let's see what Meet Kevin's saying. This is what I mean. I've got a really cheap laptop, just shit, you know. But it just means I'm able to stream, but like it can't do anything. Just annoys me sometimes. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so what is it?
We talk stocks instantly and constantly. Invariably, if they're younger, they want to talk about Tesla. Now Alphabet. Of course, Apple. Older people, they want to talk about Verizon and Coca-Cola. Verizon's straightforward, very tough competitive business now. But Coke and its faster-growing doppelganger PepsiCo always get a positive nod from me. How can it not? CEO James Quincy has ignited the growth here, and I think he can deliver still one more good quarter. After the close, one of my faves, Airbnb reports. Now, I've been adamant that this company's undervalued, but I just don't know when it can break out to the upside. I am asking you to forgive a missed quarter. You may get one. Airbnb is busy eviscerating competition. Look, it worked with Uber. It obliterated Lyft. I think the Airbnb wants game, set, match for the new lodging world, and it's going to get it. I like gold very much, but I have been miffed about the action in my favorite, which is Barrick Gold. We'll hear from them Wednesday morning. This is the best gold miner on earth. Yet its stock trades as if Barrick was mining Bitcoin. Could this be the quarter where people realize that this stock deserves to trade much better than the underlying precious metal? I think it might.
See, that's what's annoying. Gold's been doing very well. Gold's been performing very well, like the actual price of gold. But gold stocks haven't. It's frustrating because I invest in gold stocks thinking, oh yeah, if gold goes up, gold stocks are going to fly up. Because normally that's the case. That's the sort of cycle it follows. You know what I mean, if gold's doing really well, then gold stocks outperform gold and do even better. They're just a slightly more volatile gold. Like if gold does bad, gold stocks do really bad. If gold does good, gold stocks do really good. Right? You understand? I hope so. So yeah, I thought gold was going to go up. Gold did go up, the price of gold. So I invested quite heavily in some gold stocks. As we watched the pound dollar really just sink here. But anyway, gold stocks, yeah, I invested heavily in gold stocks. But they just didn't, I mean, look, if we get a chart of gold up, just see the recent moves that gold has been doing. I mean, I know this is the minute chart, so don't look at this. We'll just go on the 4 hours or so. Look, let's just ignore this. But look, these are like the recent moves gold has been doing. Like, November we were here, and we have just been in a bull market. I mean, yes, we've dropped recently, but even around like this time, like gold stocks, I literally bought. Well, probably even back before this. We're probably looking at like around here. I bought gold stocks, like August, September, October time, all around here. But I just thought, you know what? With inflation, all these numbers coming out, interest rate hikes, gold should fly, and it did go up for quite a bit, but gold stocks didn't. Gold stocks didn't quite, and that just really annoyed me because obviously I was right with the gold estimate. Normally in situations gold stocks do well, but they just haven't. I can't really put my finger on it as to why, but they haven't. So that's just been frustrating. But you know, it's okay. We live on. I haven't lost a limb over it. It's not like I've gone 3 legs or I've lost a kidney, it's all right. Do you know what I mean? I just take it on the chin.
And by the way, it's got a very good and safe dividend. Next up, I hate almost every SPAC, as you know, except one. It's called Bolero. That's the company that's rolling up mom-and-pop bowling alleys, a sport I happen to love that's in desperate need of rationalization. I expect very good numbers. Will Shopify have its earnings breakout this quarter? Like Monday.com, which I talked about from Monday, Shopify needs to show that it too can pivot to profitability. It's no longer enough just to be the fulfillment company for the web,
today.
or at least the part of the web that's not dominated by Amazon. Thursday, we get results.
I was invested. I was a Shopify investor as well.
Featured on the show. I've been recommending this one ever since it was spun off by Exxon, giant utility company, because it's nearly all nuclear.
Quite like Shopify.
Nuclear power is the most efficient way to decarbonize. Huge winner from the so-called Inflation Reduction Act, too. I'd stick with this one as long as the Democrats in the White House. After the close, we hear from a host of companies, including Applied Materials, the semiconductor capital equipment maker. Now, we had Secretary of Commerce Gina Raimondo on this week earlier, and she has been instrumental in creating legislation like the CHIPS Act that will help the U.S. regain its dominance in semiconductor manufacturing. I'm a big supporter of the CHIPS Act, as you know, but I warn you not to buy Applied Materials now off the legislation. It'll be years before it actually gets orders. In the interim, you have a lot of chip companies that are trying to hold back orders because semiconductor pricing is so bad. At the very least, wait until after AMAT reports, because I'm betting it might not be that good a quarter. 50 million people gamble in this.
Hey, I'm Kramer, and welcome to Mad Money. Hey, I'm Kramer, and welcome to Mad Money. Today, we're going through the game plan. I mean, this week, we got Shopify on Wednesday. You know, I'm hoping to have a good week. That's how he talks. See, I can't hear him, but after I've heard him, I do a good Kramer. I do a good Kramer impression.
This country, and we could expect 15 billion to be bet on the big game this weekend. That will probably get people all bowled up about DraftKings, which also reports Thursday. I say be careful. Florida, Texas, and California still don't have legal gambling. And the numbers here won't be good enough, I think, until that changes. I do like DraftKings. I like the CEO, Jason Robbins. But I don't like the legislative roadmap. How about DoorDash? Any hope for it to be profitable? The shareholders better hope that you better hope they get it, otherwise it's going to be painful. You know, this one has to get into the black right now because the market has no stomach for companies that don't seem to care about earnings. Sometimes I feel that that's the case with DoorDash. Finally, on Friday, we have two important companies, AutoNation and Deere. AutoNation gives us a read on the used car industry. I don't like this business right now, and not just because Carvana has been a huge disruptor. It even disrupted itself.
Doesn't like the used car.
But I dislike used cars simply because the prices have been coming down fairly consistently until they bounced in January, and it seems like a real spike. But that'd be a bummer, by the way, if you're worried at the Fed that might have to have more interest rate hikes just to cool that part of the economy. Now, look, let's listen to AutoNation. Let's not buy the stock. Stock's had a colossal move. No, thank you. Deere's different. I said this before, but I need you to know that we're in a very powerful ag bull market. It's the feed the world story. We don't have enough tractors out there, as AGCO told us earlier this week. Deere's the best way to play it because it's the most visible and best known. Bottom line, next week truly marks a breather to the earnings season as it winds down. That said, there's plenty to buy as long as you buy companies that are making money and returning some of that money to shareholders via buybacks or dividends. Still too soon, by the way, to pick at high-growth stocks with little in the way of earnings, though, and certainly no need to speculate at all. Joshua in Florida. Joshua.
Look how many he's got. He's got 50 buttons.
Hi, Jim.
Man's actually got 50 buttons.
Josh.
Jim, I'm a graduate student in the MS in Sustainable Business program at the University of Miami Herbert Business School. It was great to have you on campus last week.
I would actually love to do something like this. I'd love it. Like, that's what I mean. Like, if I had a big amount of viewers and they could just call in and be like, BG Dollars, like, what do you think of this? And I'll be like, well, look, I mean, the earnings report is kind of sus, but, you know, the market's been moving upwards, so I'm kind of bullish. We've got to see what the Fed's saying. Do you know what I mean? I would love to do something like that. That would actually be so good. Like, oh my God. That would actually be sick, honestly. Like, the camera there, look, see the levels of the production. The levels of the production. Got the camera, the laptop, the camera, the laptop. Do you know what I mean? Never has BG dollars gone this far ahead.
Thank you. It was a lot of
Jim, what are
fun
your
being
thoughts?
there. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, go Canes. And Jim, what are your thoughts on the recent push towards ESG implementation and reporting? And do you feel it actually drives value for firms?
I think here's the way I feel about it. First of all, I'm very pro ESG. I don't even think it's controversial. I know some do. But I don't think it really matters that much. Some of the funds are big enough that they could move the needle, but I think we still pick stocks on the basis of the company's fundamentals, and we hope that they are embracing our ESG views. Let's go to Christopher in Michigan, please. Christopher.
Yeah, wow. Greetings from Trenton, Michigan. A beautiful downriver community. So, Jim, I'm wondering about something. It's been going on for a few weeks here, but with the increase.
Do you guys say like Michigan or Michigan? Like which one? Michigan? Michigan? I think Michigan. I don't know. Tell me, Johnny, if you're American. I mean, I've only got one viewer, so the one viewer could be like from Kuwait or like, I don't know, like Turkmenistan, and then they won't have a clue what I'm on about. But hopefully they're from UK or US or some shit. So, do you know what I mean?
Prominence
Michigan,
of artificial intelligence in various industries.
Michigan.
It's surprising that IBM Watson isn't frequently questioned or mentioned in these discussions. Can you shed some light on why this is?
It's just unimportant. I mean, I hate to be just blunt about it, but it's unimportant. There are three companies that are doing fabulous work in AI. And right now, publicly, we know about Microsoft. We're still thinking that Google may not know what it's doing, but I think it will. And then only Meta. And we haven't seen what Meta's doing in AI, but my sources tell me it's going to be pretty blow away.
If I'm pausing at the wrong moments, it's again because I can't hear. I'm just intrigued. I'm just intrigued to see, you know what I mean, what the viewership's like. So, yeah. Anyway, let's carry on watching Kramer. IBM, obviously, you know, down 6% in the last month. Poor performer.
Let's go to Mark in Iowa, please. Mark.
Hi, Jim. A charter club member here, and I want to wish you a happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, Mark. Really appreciate it. And
Good old Mark.
Being a member of the club. How can I help?
See what he's got to say.
Well, I bought a small lot of this club stock. Then the price increased, and I did not want to violate my average cost basis, just like you explained in the bulletin yesterday.
Absolutely.
Now that the price is back down to nearly my cost basis, I would like your opinion if the investing thesis is still good or has the business prospects deteriorated. The stock is ticker symbol PG, Procter & Gamble.
No deterioration whatsoever. As a matter of fact, I think it's just gotten better because they had to reprice a lot of plastic. I think it'll be terrific. This is a dividend aristocrat, and I think you want to hold on to that yield, reinvest it, and own that stock, and I think you'll be terrific.
That's something just to quickly say. A lot of the safety stocks have been performing quite bad recently in the last month or so. Not too sure why. I mean, maybe risk on. Yeah, I mean, we quite like a risk on timing. Apple's been doing pretty well. Some of the stocks been doing well. So anyway, let's get back to it.
Really clear sailing for multiple years. All right, next week truly marks a breather to earnings season as it winds down. That said, there's plenty to buy as long as you buy companies that are making money and returning some of that money in the form of shareholder buybacks or dividends. Oh man, tonight, the enterprise software space spent 2022 in the doghouse, but 2023 has lit a fire in the group. I'm digging into a few reports that might be worth eyeing now that the tide seems to have turned. That even when the market's in the green, you have to prepare for whatever it can throw you, and that's why we play Am I Diversified?
Are you diversified? I'm actually quite set. Do you know what I mean? I'm actually quite happy with myself because I've got a few risk on, a few risk off. Do you know what I mean? I'm invested a bit in the crypto, in the crypto scene, like a bit of Bitcoin and all that. But like, no, I'm pretty good. I'm quite diversified. A lot heavily in the ETFs. Obviously, we like the ETFs, the S&P 500. So a little bit less in the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq's quite tech related. You know what I mean? Quite risky, so you don't like that one too much. But no, I'm pretty diversified. Hopefully, you are too. Because as I said, in the next year and a half, I don't think stocks will do that great. I'm a bear, and people hate on me for it. Like, what the fuck, you're a bear? Like, well, fuck you. Like, shut up. Who are you? Do you know what I mean? Like, come at me for being a bear. I'm here to make money in the markets like everybody else. Whether I'm short or long, not pushing down the market. I don't have enough money in the game to do that. Not screwing anyone over. I'm just here with everyone and the same aims, the same goals to make money in the market.
Right, we'll put your portfolio to the test. Finally, Dexcom soared today after earnings. I'm going to find out exactly why Wall Street loves the quarter. We'll talk to the company's top brass. So stay with Cramer.
There we are, bit of Cramer. Love to see it. Hey, I'm Cramer. Welcome to my body. Right, let's see what the market's saying. Gold really crashing down now. I don't like to see that. Let's see on the 15-minute. Look at that. Look, this will probably make a new low. The lows are previously here. We're probably going to make a new low. Let's have a little look at the pound dollar. Obviously, once it's chilled out after the news, we'll see what trades are available. Oh, see, this is what I'm saying. Don't really like to see this. Yeah, as I said, the pound USD is kind of tanking here. We're below the 1.2 mark. Oh, we're back above. We're back above. So around the 1.2 mark, we did just drift below it. Big sort of mark. That is the 1.2 level for pound dollar. We can discuss the Euro USD. Let's have a quick little looky look. Again, obviously, all the pairs really against the dollar will be going down. I mean, dollar looks like strengthening at the minute. Market open in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, people. Let's fucking go. 3 minutes. Do you know what I mean? We've got no news left on the day, I don't think. 215 capacity. Well, it's been 215. What's going on? Yeah, it's already out. Look, 78.5. I don't care about that. Industrial production. Yeah, not big news. Is it going to move the markets? No. So do we care? No. Business inventory. No big news throughout the day. Who's that? ECB President Lagarde. I mean, I don't really like her, to be honest with you. Kramer's game plan's over now. As I said, if you're watching the stream and you do like it, do you know what I mean? My first Twitch stream. Let's go. Do you know what I mean? I'm really making the big moves now, the big money moves. But no, I do like it. Do you know what I mean? I'm a BG Dollars on YouTube. Anyway, I want to see if we can get some Meet Kevin up. I do like Meet Kevin. If you don't know Meet Kevin, quick shout out to Meet Kevin. Although he finished streaming 8 minutes ago. He's recently bought a private jet. This guy's bought a private jet and then just like rents it out, and you can sort of like pay to do like a trip with him, and then you pay for like a few hours on the jet, and then like you talk with him. But I mean, I don't know. It's all a bit overpriced, I think. Insane China problem. What should we do? S&P. We could just wait out till market open. As I say, we've 1 minute left now. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what happens. Let's have a quick look at Apple. Let's have a quick look at some of the key sort of levels here. Apple at the 153 mark. What do we think is going to happen today? I'm just going to we'll zoom out on the S&P and just have a quick look at what we think is going to happen today. So, I mean, we've had a little bull run. We've seen some sellage here. Some sellage coming in. Bomb failed. We made a new low there. So we could start to come down. Don't know. It's all a bit in the evens. You know what I mean? Even Stevens. Could go anywhere. That's what trading's all about. So we'll see what happens. I really want to sort out my fucking MetaTrader 5. If anyone's watching the chat and knows why this shit's happened, you know what I mean? MetaTrader 5, fucking. Do you know what I mean? I've obviously logged in. Don't fucking try and hack my account or whatever. Logged in, and I can't view anything. So something's happened. I'll try load up the templates, and I can't fucking load up any of my templates. Like my normal ones, SPX, like SPX 500, that's what I save as. It's not loading up. So this shit's kind of pissing me off a bit, I can't lie. But oh well. Market open. Apple's already down. Oh, we got Tesla up 0.72. Actually, we quite like this window. Let's just have a little quick look then. Let's have a quick little look. What's this headline? So fuck off. Get out of here. Yeah, there we are. Look, now we can have a look. Apple down 0.2%. You got the Tesla up 0.85. Oh, look at that. Got Netflix moving. US oil. Gold down a percentage, as we've just seen. Gold's really tanking. We've got Bitcoin. The cryptos are doing well. Cryptos doing all right. It's rare to see. We like to see that though. S&P's down 0.6%. Got the Nas down 0.54%. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 0.63. So it's looking, it could be a little red day so far, but obviously we've got a long way to go. Hold up, people. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Still got fucking 8 hours or so, right? So let's just, it can be a bit wild, so we can turn around. What's all this shit popping up for? Look first, then leap. Huh? Remember, look first, then leap, people. Gold's really tanking. As I said, I do want to start getting into some trades. You're probably wondering, well, look, he's fucking titled this stream as trading, and he's not fucking doing any trading. So what's going on there? I'm getting clickbaited. I suppose you are getting a little clickbait, but, it's because of the news. Look, it's just fucking turmoil here, so I have to wait for it to settle. Wait for it to settle down a bit. I'm not trying to lose money, make money. So that's the pound dollar. We're at the 1.2 level. As I said, look, we just briefly went below, and I knew 1.2 would probably hold us some support. Maybe could have got in, but it's all right. It's all right. Could get in now. I do need to make actually my position size. Let's start to make my position size calc. When I make my position sizes up, obviously I'll put in the account size and all this that. 3 times, I just went to go there to change it, and the ad popped up last second. Surprise attack. And he catches you out. See, all pop-ups nowadays, this is what just pisses me off of the internet. No, I ain't that rich, not the 35k mark. Jesus. It will be that size soon though, people. Don't you worry about that. Anyway, risk ratio, you see, people think, it's really low, but I like to do a small little risk on it, just because I'm quite preservative with the money. I'm not trying to lose everything like some people. Do you know what I mean? So I'm here to be a professional trader to make money. Stop loss in pips. Now I'll just put in 1 pip and then 2 pip and then 3 pip. 0.88. Right. So I really and truly, I need a sheet of paper. Get a little pencil out or something, and I'll just write them down. Do you know what I mean? This is a awesome fun sticker book. Hey, not a piece of paper, is it? Oh, look at that. Should we whack a sticker on? What sticker should we go for? Oh, God. Space Dude. The Computer Whiz Kid. No, that's a bit too... We'll whack a sticker on for the stream. This is what I'm saying. Whack a sticker on for the stream because it's my first Twitch stream. Do you know what I mean? We've got to celebrate this bitch. Stuff it. Stuff it. We'll put on stuff it because I just had some food. Yeah, you like this one? Well, I'll show it to you properly. Hold on, chat. Huh? See, they're eating the food, stuff it. Yeah? Boom! That's what I thought. Stuff it. Sorry if it hits the mic, do you know what I mean? I didn't want to ear rape anyone. Alright, piece of paper. That's what I like to use, just little flashcards, do you know what I mean? That's where I've got my handy drawer right anyway, so GBP USD. Oh, don't need a pencil. Got a pen. Picked up it's a screwdriver. I thought it was a pen. I was about to write with. Why is that in there? Oh my god. Oh my god. Does this pen work? No. Of course it fucking don't. Does this pen work? No. See, every time, look. I don't know why I put them back in the drawer, to be fair. I should just put them in the bin. Right, anyway. GBP to USD. Boom. See, this is what we got to do every time. Risk ratio, 0.25%. And now we've got what? 1 pip. If it's 1 pip, the position size is 0.88. Alright, and let's see what if it's... So if it's 2 pips, it'd be 0.44, surely. Huh? 0.44? Oh, look at that. Anyone would think I'm just a genius masterclass like that, but I'm not really. Do you know what I mean? It's fairly straightforward. It's just half every time. 0.4. Oh, what? So, oh no, but 3 pip won't be 0.22. 4 pip will be 0.22. Look, if we go for 4 pip, it'll be 0.22. Ah! Oh, see, I'm too used to the game. I've never seen this before. 3 pip will be like 0. I don't actually know. I'd have to like. It's too much maths there. 0.29. Right, 5 pip. We'll go up to about 8 pip. 8 pip. And then we've got to do it again for 0.125%. 0.18 lots. 6 pip. Now, you're probably wondering, what are you doing, BG dollars? Now, I'm working out my position size, depending on how far the stop loss is, because obviously on here, look, it says stop loss pips. So if it's 6 pips away, then I'll have to use this position size of 0.15. And if it's 7 pips away, let's see what position size I have to use. So if it's 7 pip away, I have to use 0.13. And it just means because I'm scalping the markets, I don't have time to quickly, I'm in on the markets. Oh, let me figure out my position size, boom, and put in 7 and 0.25 and all this, calculate. Because scalping, quick movements, every second, boom. So if I have it written all down on a piece of paper, what I've got to do is, I'm in the markets. Oh shit, 5 pip, boom. What's 5 pip position size? 0.18, right, boom, done. Yeah, it's quick time. So I ain't got to go in here and then lose the trade, or the market's moved off and I haven't managed to get that trade. So it just means I can be a bit quicker if I have them all written down. I can just glance over the sheet of paper when the trade comes up, and it just means it's more smooth. So I do this all the time. You're probably thinking, well, if you do it all the time, then surely you've already got these lot sizes. Well, I do, but I do lose the paper. So I mean, after every stream, and this goes somewhere, and then tomorrow away, I'm like, oh shit. So I mean, anyway, we have to do 0.125 as well. No, not 125. Now you're probably thinking, why am I doing 0.125? There's such small risk. Such small risk. I mean, what, 0.125% of the account? Such small risk. And I'm like, well, you'll see why. You will see why, because I do take a lot of trades in a day. And if I do 1% every time and I lose lots of trades, like if I'm doing like 40, 50 plus trades in a day and I lose, like go on a losing streak of 15 trades, then that's going to be 15% of the account, and that adds up, do you know what I mean? And then it affects your psychology. If you do small risk percentages, if you go on a fat losing streak, it doesn't really affect the account much, so I can handle it more. Anyway, so 0.15, that's 0.05 lots. 7. Oh, my back's aching for some reason. See, I just obviously came back from Thailand, so I had long flights, so I think it fucks my back muscles up. Rehab. I need rehab after my flight. Oh, fuck it up. Anyway, 0.06. And I see this in the club, be acting real nice. And I see this on the floor, and I'm acting all the time. 5. 0.09. Don't worry, but if you find this bit boring, look, just go over to the YouTube and subscribe, and then come back, and then I'll have done that. Do you know what I mean? Go over to BG Dollars on the YouTube, subscribe, and then go over to like the stream on Twitch, or do you even like on? That's right. It's my first stream on Twitch. Don't really know what's going on. I'm all a bit blasé on this, but yeah. 4 is 0.11. I presume you like the stream on Twitch. I mean, if whatever you do it. Do you know what I mean? If you like or follow or heart it or whatever. Do you know what I mean? Number 3, 0.15 lots. Number 2, 0.22 lots. And then finally, number 1. This is going to be 0.44 lots then, isn't it? Yeah, there we are. Right. Okay, so that's looking good to go. We've found out the position sizes. Obviously GBP USD. Right, we could probably get trading. See, this is what's pissing me off though. This, because obviously I would trade normally on MetaTrader 5, but for some reason, quick update, and now the chart's fucked, and my template isn't loading. So it's pissed me off all round. Maybe I might have to just use my webcam then. So obviously, right now, this webcam here, you see it? You see me? Hello? Yeah? It's on my phone. So I can trade on my phone, on MetaTrader 5 on my phone app, but it just means that the camera will be coming through my web app on my laptop, which is up here. It's just a shittier webcam, but it works. I mean, you'll be able to see me, you'll be able to hear me and everything, and I'll be able to trade. So I think that's what we're going to do. So just bear with me 1 minute. I'm going to have to sort out all this. How would I do this? Hold on 1 second, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to video capture device. Right, so there you see me. Here will end. Bomb. Oh. Right, okay. Here we go. So that's what I'm saying. This is what I'll look like. Maybe. Yeah, it's okay. You still hear me and everything? And then I can just trade on here. Do you know what I'm saying? We've been live for over an hour. I should be, if you can still hear me and everything, I can just trade on my MetaTrader 5. Boom. And there we are. Just make sure that I've got the 258. I do. Let's turn these on. Right. Right, we should be good. We should be good to go. 3,500 on the account. We'll get the GBP USD up on the 1 minute. Right, okay. Should be good. Should be good. 15 minute. Let's get up to 15 minute. Does mean that I'll be going on my phone a little bit, but just, you know. On the 15 minute, we're below both, so we should be following the trend below both. Okay, we may almost have a trade up already. This is what I'm saying, it's quick time, Johnny. Oh, that's a good point. I need to get a timer up. Time. It's time. Just the time. Just the time up, man. No, in seconds. Clock, not time. We'll get a clock up in seconds. Online clock. No, where's the seconds? Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, okay. Well, where's the clock gone? Yeah, we'll make it smaller. Oh, dear. Right. Alright. There's the clock. Boom, it's going top left. Oh, you see, we just missed a trade. If it comes back though, what was the stop loss? Stop was 75. So 48, so 58, 68. So it's 25, so we're going to go like 3 at 0.29. So we can go for 0.29. Bomb. And only if it pops up, if it pops up, then we'll take the trade. Do you know what I mean? Come on, let's go. I beg you, pop up. Yes, keep coming, baby. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming, baby. Hey, oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's keep coming up. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's get the trade in. Let's keep coming up. It just needs to come up just a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, you fucker. Don't give me that rubbish, mate. Bomb. We've got it in. And our stop loss is 0.075. Bomb. Modify. Right, we're in. We're in the markets. We're in. We'll see what happens. You know what I mean? We'll see what happens. Now, obviously, if you want to see what's happening, let's get it up on here. I'm sorry, viewer, for you know, going a bit off. Right, there we are. So we want it to go down. We want the market to go down. So let's see what happens. If it goes up, we're pretty much out. We're still in the trade. Oh, it's touching it. We're out. See, that's what I mean. Lost, just like that. We've already lost. Do you know what I mean? That's why I'm saying we take a... Right. So we don't take the next trade. And so this is where we'll have a look and we'll just say market jitteriness. Jitteriness. So what we'll do is when it's jittery like this, we'll wait for a breakout. So we can just draw two lines. We'll just draw two lines. Like this, bomb, one there. Like this, bomb, one there. And whenever it breaks out, which means we get a close, I'm going to put it down just a little bit lower. Like that. Whenever we get a close below this line, like the price goes down, bomb closes. When the clock hits the end of the minute, that's when we take a trade. Or if it goes above this line and closes, that's when we'll take a trade, okay? So for now, we can just chill out. We can chill out for a bit. Looks like there's no trades open. We'll just have to wait. And I see this in the club, be acting real nice. And see this on the floor, and I'm acting all the time. No, not quite a close below. Almost a close below. Oh, my back's hurting. For some reason. I don't know why. Oh. See, look at that quick reversal. Do you know what I mean? That was a nice little... To be fair, it looks quite oversold to me. Does look quite oversold to me. I mean, this... Who's calling me? So I answer it. I'll answer it for the band. Hello?
Hey, Brad. This is Jacob again from FX.
Hello?
We had a chat last Friday. If you haven't forgot.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
How's it going, Brad?
Yeah, it's going good. Yeah.
I hope I'm not calling in a bad timing. Yeah. I hope we have enough time to have a chat, a quick one.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Yeah, it's alright.
Alright, just as you told me last week, you told me that you were pretty happy with the platform and it runs good and smooth. Yeah,
it's all good. Yeah, I like using it.
So I just wanted to ask a couple of questions today. I can see I'm pretty surprised with your trades. You have closed more than 300 trades.
Yeah.
But you didn't log in track FX for 2 months.
Yeah.
You should just try to reconnect the account and analyze your charts and stuff.
Yeah, no, it's because I used I logged in with like a different account, like a different email. I signed up with like a different email.
Okay,
because
I
it's a
see.
different
Well,
trading account. So yeah.
Okay. As far as I can see here in my system, you like to trade GBP and USD,
Yeah.
mostly majors,
Yeah, that's
and you're
correct. Yeah.
pretty good at it, honestly. So, just wanted to ask, how did you find 5% online limited? This broker.
Well, I was just looking through some like funding trading options, and then I just came across it. It said it was one of the better ones, so I just joined them.
Okay, and tell me about it. How happy are you with this broker?
Yeah, the broker's good. Yeah, I mean, you've got tight spreads, and you know the fees per lot aren't too high. So yeah, I mean, I use them, quite like them.
Okay, because the reason why I'm asking you is because I've never heard of 5% online. That's the main thing. So I just was quite interested in knowing from our customers how 5% is. So I can see that you're pretty happy with the current broker.
Yeah, I quite like them. Yeah.
But also, have you ever heard of T4 trades?
Of who?
T4 trades. Have you ever heard of it?
T4. I think I've heard of like
T4.
T4 T capital, but not like T4
T
trade.
capital 4 T capital again trades. Yep.
I think I may have heard of them.
Decent broker, and they have plenty of benefits, such as starting from the low spreads as low as 0.1 in pips.
Yeah.
They also have, because I believe, I don't know if 5% allows you to withdraw money within the same day, but T4 trades actually allows you to witdraw money within an hour or two.
Yeah, well,
it's pretty fast deposit.
With the fivers, it's like the 5% is like three working days. So
it takes 3 working days to withdraw the money.
Yeah, but that's because like they take because it's like funded, so like they take their split because they funded the account. Do you get what I'm saying?
Oh, so account is funded.
Yeah. So account. It's like funded by the fiver, so it's their money, and then they'll take a split of the profit, and then they give the rest.
Have you been able to because I know funded accounts have challenges to.
Yeah. The current trading account one I have is
have you finished?
It's instant funding, so you have to pay a bit more money for it up front, but it's instant, so I wouldn't have to do any. You know, I wouldn't have to do any challenges.
Have you ever thought of switching the account and trading with your own account, not funded, just your own account?
I mean, when I eventually get the funds, then yeah, I mean, I'd probably build it up on a funded trading account, and then when I've got the funds to do it at my own time, then I'd go on my own account. Yeah.
Okay, because T4 Trades allows you to. When you register in T4 Trades, the minimum deposit is as minimum as $200, 200 pounds, for example. It's really low deposit minimum, and it's actually really good.
Yeah.
So, and just wanted to make one more question upon. I guess you're more of a technical trader.
Yeah. I mean, I do have a look at the fundamentals every now and then. I mean, I wouldn't trade like technicals if there's big news events coming out, but
yeah, but for my opinion, knowing fundamentals can be also good. Can help you improve your skills in trading.
Yeah.
And the brokers, because we work with plenty of brokers, which are T4, as I mentioned it, IG markets, IC markets. We work with Iron FX as well, which is in South Africa and Ghana. Those brokers are sponsoring a course, which is whether technical course, whether fundamental course. It's up to you which one you want to choose. And it's completely free.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
So just wanted to let you know that if you would ever want a fundamental course, you can have one, or a technical course, you can have one. And also, by the time you join T4 Trades, you'll be able to enter.
What the fuck is this guy just keeps selling me shit? Shut up.
Having a conversation regarding forex industry.
Yeah.
You might be able to learn new things, create new ideas.
Yeah, I mean, I'll have a little look at them. I'll have a little look into them. Yeah.
Okay, just make sure to have a look on T4 Trades.
Yeah.
And if you ever want to join it, just give me a call. Because you should join through us, so you can you can be granted with that free course, which is whether technical or fundamental, as I told you.
All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. Sounds good then. Yeah, I'll have a look into it.
All right, Brad. Thank you again for the call, and I wish we were gonna have much more calls in the future as well.
Okay. All right. Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Brad.
Thank you. Bye.
You have a good day.
Yeah. You too.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Right, who is that guy? He called me up on Friday. It's the same guy. Do you know what I mean? He keeps belling me up. Sales call. Try this out. Oh, try this out. Oh, try that out. P4T trade. TCTP trade. Do you know what I mean? Like, God, being it, mate. Just chill out. Do you know what I mean? Just chill. I mean, we're really dropping in the pound dollar, and I missed a trade because I was on the call to him. Why the fuck am I missing trades? Because I'm on the call to some shitty salesman. I'm losing trades, missing trades, because I'm on a call to a salesman who's trying to sell me something that I'm not even interested in. Should have been like, no, shut up, boom, I'm trading. Yeah? Less of that nonsense. I said, as soon as it closes below this blue line, it will fall. Should sell, or if it closes above this blue line, buy. Bomb, look at that close, bomb, stop loss here, sell there, bomb. But no, missed it. Do you know what I mean? So, this is a load of rubbish. But there's always opportunities when you're a scalper. Do you know what I mean? You got to understand that. There's always opportunities when you're a scalper. So yeah, I mean, I've just got to carry on with it. Do you know what I mean? Just got to carry on the grind. On the griddle. Quite hungry again. Oh, big boy gold. Let's see if there's a gold trade. I mean, you know what that alarm means? See if there's a gold trade available. By the looks of things, no. No, still no. I mean, I thought it may have been closing above, but it didn't. And if I get it up here for you lot watching, what's happened to this now? So I don't get why the clock just keeps disappearing. You know what I mean? I'll just try and change it to gold, and then the clock fucks up. But you get back up there, you. I don't know. I don't think so. Not yet. Just not yet, Johnny. You've got to be patient with these things. Anyway. Please give a like on the stream. Do you know what I mean? This has been a good stream. Please do follow. Please do subscribe to BG Dollars on YouTube. Got big things coming. Probably release videos every week. I say probably because sometimes I do miss an upload, but I try. I'm trying. Hey, oh, and I try. Now try, playing the guitar, hey, oh, with my ketchup, and I'm playing the guitar, whoa. See, the market should be moving, but the markets are not moving. The market should be moving, but they're not. The market should be moving, but they're not. The market should be moving. Market should be moving. The market should be moving, but they're not. It's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. The market should be moving. It's 3 p.m. UK time. The market should be moving. Because I said the markets are open. The gold ain't giving me any trades. The gold ain't giving me any trades. Oh, what's that? Gold is moving up. Yeah, gold's moving up. Gold's moving up. Yes, gold is moving up. Yes, gold is moving up. Gold's moving up. Yes, gold is moving up. The S&P 500's down. The gold is moving down now. Oh shit. Oh shit. The S&P 500 is moving up. Hey, oh, and the S&P 500 moving up. Hey, we're getting faster. All the gold is moving down. Is there any trades? Is there any trades available? Make sure to subscribe to BG Dollars on YouTube. Hey, oh, make sure to subscribe to BG Dollars. Hey, oh, subscribe to BG Dollars, and then you will get some good luck. You will get some good luck for the next 50 years. Way. I'm still repping the sticker. Yeah, you see that? Stuff it. Stuff it. That's what I thought. Puss. Right. Let's get trading. Let's get trading. Let's go. Pound dollar. The pound dollar. So you'd still be holding to the short side. Do you know what I mean? Just because this fucking thing looks bullish. Well, it looks bullish. No, you still hold to the short side. See, I'd have got in there and I'd still be holding for the short side. Still be holding for the short side. Look at that. Immediately sells off when I say that. Right, I think I might just leave it for today. Maybe let's see what some of Meet Kevin's saying. Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin. Scan me for details. Why do you... Oh, actually, that's a shout. Let's see what Plu's doing. Plu, if you don't know, brilliant card. Brilliant card. If you know about Plutus, just have a look. Just Google Plutus. Brilliant card. Oh, that's actually popped up quite a bit. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. That's lovely. That's voluptuous. That's beautiful. That's like a nice steak or something. See that candle right there? Oh, it's beautiful. It's just banging. Do you know what I mean? I don't think Bitcoin is even up that much. I will have to go soon off the stream. As I said, make sure to subscribe and like. Bitcoin's up a little bit as well. That's beautiful. Johnny, the cryptos are finally moving. The cryptos, about time the cryptos moving. S&P 500, I think this is down quite a bit. Yeah. Red day. A red day. A red day. But I think I'm going to call it a day on the stream, to be honest with you. It's been a decent stream. Maybe I'll stream later. I don't know. I mean, I've got some stuff to do, so yeah. Make sure to subscribe. You know, it's been BG Dollars. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Probably tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow in the next stream. Goodbye.